Hi guys, do you guys like to take selfies? If you do, well, you're in luck because this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid to post selfies, and you could earn up to $28 per post and sometimes even more depending on your profile, that is, okay? And so I'm going to show you this method in this video today, and I'm going to get started right now. Since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out, my name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and this link on my YouTube channel art here on the right is called Make Big Money Here. You could click here if you want to find out how I make big money online, and I make a full-time online income this way passively, and I can explain everything on how that works to you, and you can follow my path, and I can't wait to show you. So click that link if you want to earn big money online, guys, okay? A real online income. So let's get to the app that pays you PayPal money, and it's called MNFST, okay? And I think it stands for manifest. And so you just go to MNFST.com and you will get to the site. So what this is that they will pay you to post selfies. Yes, and they're saying anybody, no matter how big or small your social media account is, you can earn by posting selfies to your social media accounts, okay? And this is good for all phones, all smartphones, so you could earn with your phone this way, and it's going to be fast because they're going to pay fast as well, okay? They're going to pay you in PayPal, and they're going to pay you within 24 hours, okay? I'm going to show you all this. So create, get rewards, raise your influence. We are on a mission to democratize the influencer market. Digital profile is a key underutilized asset of our time, and we are here to change that. So you see here in these amounts, these are the amounts of people are earning from $2 to $28, $7 for posting these kind of selfies, okay? So how it works, MNFST is a social lifestyle app which helps people become better creators, benefit from their most valuable asset, support charities and causes they care about. So you're going to make a branded photo or video in seconds. Then you're going to post it, share it with your friends on social media. And here, see, get paid, receive payment in 24 hours. Withdraw instantly or donate to a cause. So you could withdraw to PayPal, Revolut, or donate to a charity of your choice, okay? And they have users already earned over 250,000, so they're on their way to keep paying people. So this is relatively new app, guys, because they haven't paid out that much in the big scheme of things. I've seen other apps pay out a lot more. So you can see here, like this guy got paid, I think this is in pounds here, so £8 per post, and that was 35 a dollar or 143 pound. This one is 756 pound, and so forth. So it just depends on, I don't understand. They're using dollars and then they're using pounds here, so I'm not understand what you'll get in paid with. But so, and then you can see how valuable your profile is, and I think this is what determines your pay rate per post. So you can but you have to install your app, their app first, so that you can connect your social profiles with, so they can see how much your profiles are worth. And so you basically gonna support what you love, and you can talk about the brands that you like. So I'm just gonna go through some Q&As here. Okay, what is the main purpose of this app? We created MNFST to give every user an opportunity to capitalize on their social media profiles, one of the most valuable and important personal assets in the digital age. Not so long ago, only celebrities and power bloggers with a massive following were able to monetize their social media presence. Later, micro-influencers came into play, top local bloggers and opinion leaders in small communities, but these smaller influencers are still required to have a large enough audience to compete with traditional advertising channels. So MNFST finally introduces a completely open and transparent and fair platform that provides everyone, regardless of the size of their following, with an opportunity to promote and recommend the things they care about and in return be rewarded directly by advertisers. So they're just giving everybody an opportunity to be able to monetize their social media profiles. How do you calculate my payment per post? MNFST is a platform that promotes creativity and rewards imaginative, creative, and engaging users. To determine each user's payment, we've developed what's called your social capital score. This is an integral metric that measures the influence of your social media profile based on multiple factors, including the number of real followers, your engagement rate, and the quality of your content. You receive the solid cash proposal before making a post and get paid in 24 hours. What if my friends think I'm selling out? Well, this basically says that you just try to choose the brands and or products or events that you truly care about so that you can still be genuine about what you support and so that you can still stay true to yourself. And how can I support charity? So basically, instead of paying out by PayPal, you could donate to charities because right now they support Shelter and Princess Trust. But if you want other ones, they said to contact them. Okay, so on the Google Play Store, they are rated at 4 stars with over 3,400 reviews. So it is not bad. It's 4.1. So it seems like people like it. Some people hate it. It's also 4 stars over here on the Apple Store, but not very a lot of people were rating it. So not sure how many people are using it. So you got 4, 5 stars, and 1 star. So it just depends on what you're looking for, guys. It has worked for some people, I know, because I've seen it. So that's why I was going to show you guys this app. So I don't use apps like this, guys. So if you were to click that link in my YouTube channel, you will learn how I make money online. Okay, guys, I use a long-term method that leverages the internet, and so I can earn 24/7 so that I don't just trade my time for money, and so I can earn passively this way. Okay, guys, sorry about my background going crazy. It's just the time of the day and the way my webcam is that doesn't like the coloring of the sun setting in my office. So anyway, thank you so much. So check out that link in my YouTube channel banner, which is called Make a Big Money Here. Or if you're on the mobile YouTube channel, then you could just go to my channel tab that says About, and you'll see the same link on the bottom of that page. Okay, guys? So I hope you invest in yourself and learn some real online skills so you can make some big money online, guys. All right. So I hope I can help you also in the near future with that program. I cannot wait. All right, guys. So please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video if you can. It will really help out my channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? I really hope I'll see you on the next video. So bye.